Hey friends, ZenKahuna here. We're going to do some seated isometrics using a single kettlebell. So what we're going to do is, starting from the rack position, we're going to move the kettlebell up just a little bit and hold it for 6 seconds. So get that first start. So you're engaged, you want to tighten the glutes, and then you're going to come up. And again, hold for about 6 to 8 seconds. And a little higher. Keep your breathing going. Lock it out. Now, very slowly, open the hands and let the kettlebell down. Very, very slowly. Come back to our first couple of positions and we'll hold. Finish it up with just continuing that slow down movement. Then wrap it around all the way back into a good rack position. So that's what you're going to do with the other arm. Here's what I want you to consider. So as you're holding for the 6 seconds and 6 seconds and 6 seconds, what you want to remember is, don't put it all into the shoulder and arm. You want to engage, lock your abs, tighten your glutes, and make each position one that is distinct for your brain. Then as you're coming down, notice if there's areas where your arm starts to jiggle or you want to skip over a part. The main thing I find is a benefit to this type of isometrics is that when you finish with that slow down position, as you're coming down, you'll feel where there is weakness, either in fascia or muscle. And so what you want to do is spend more time in a hold position in that particular spot. So whatever you decide to do with it, make it fun. Remember, seated kettlebell work is a blast anyway because it takes all that swing out of everything. So you got to rely more from the hips upward. It's just another way of playing. And remember, the more diverse you make your playouts or your workouts, whatever you call them, the better results you're going to get. So make it fun. Remember, you're the guru.